Great scholars, let us consider multiplication of decimals and whole numbers today. Multiplication of decimals and whole numbers. Decimals and whole numbers multiplication. This will also be very simple for you to deal with, since you've already been taught how to multiply decimals and you'll be given the methods to use when multiplying decimals. So you can apply the methods you like to dealing with this. Let's see some examples here. You have, for example, 1.2 times 5. 1.2 times 5. 1.2 times 5. I'll quickly apply the two methods here to help you understand better. The first method, multiply without the decimal point, which is the direct method. Direct method. Remember, this is a one decimal place number, and this one has no decimal place. So I'm going to multiply it as 12 times 5. 12 times 5. 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 1, 6. So 12 times 5 is 60. But since it is only a one decimal place number that we dealt with, count one number from the unit before the point. Your answer is 6.0 or 6. That is your answer. Using the fractional method. Fractional method. If you want to use the fractional method, this is how you go about this problem. 1.2 times 5. Express 1.2 as a fraction. Remember, all whole numbers could also be expressed as fractions. Example 7 is 7 over 1. 9 is 9 over 1. 5 is 5 over 1. 100 is 100 over 1. So express this number as fraction. 1.2 is simply 12 over 10 times 5 over 1. Multiply. 12 times 5 is 60. Over 10 times 1 is 10. The ending zeros cancel. What you have is 6 over 1, which is still 6. So your answer is 6. As simple as that. Let's try another example. We are looking at decimal and whole number multiplication. Let's try another example. 25.4 times 15. 25.4 times 15. This is the whole number. This is the decimal. You can use the two methods here directly if you like. Let me start with the first method, the direct method. But if you're writing your examination, you don't need to use the two methods. I am teaching you, that is why I am using these two methods. If you're writing your examination, you can decide to use this method or use this method and still get your answers 6. Let's use the direct method here. I'll express 25.4 as 254 times 15. Remember, this is a one decimal place number. One decimal place number. Let's multiply 254 times 15. 5 times 4 is 20. Write 0, carry 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus the 2 carry 27. Write 7, carry 2. Clean this one quickly. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus the 2, 12. Put it down. 1 times 4 is 4. Directly under the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 2. Clean this one please quickly. 1 times 2 is 2. Then add your numbers. Close the gap. Add your numbers. This is 0. 11. Carry 1. That will become 8. And this will become 3. So that's what you have there. That is what you have. Now, what we dealt with was just a one decimal place number. So count one number from the unit, 1, then put a point. So your answer is 381.0. 381.0, which is the same as 381 alone. So your answer is 381. If you want to put 0.0, no problem. Now let's try using the fractional method. The fractional method. Fractional method. you have 25.4 times 15. Express this as a fraction. That will be 254 over 1 decimal place for 1 0, times 15 over 1. If you multiply 254 times 15, that will give you 3810. 10 times 1 is 10, and this cancels this. You have your final answer as 381 over 1, which is the same as 381. So your answer is 381. The same thing that we have up is what we have down as the answer. Our answer is 381. So if you multiply 25.4 times 15, your answer will be 381. So this is how you deal with decimal and whole number multiplication. So try this yourself and forward your answers to me. Do the following. Number 1, you have 2.7 times 6. Number 2, 12.53 times 4. Number 3, 1.824 times 2. Try this and give me the answers you're going to have. Let me see. The first one I gave you 2.7 times 6. Second one 12.53 times 4. Then the third one 1.824 times 2. Try to multiply using the two methods. Use the two methods to solve this problem, please. Use the two methods. Use the two methods. Use the two methods in the course of solving these three questions, and see that you get used to it and ensure you forward the right answers to me. Thank you.